Hey everyone, hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we are going to take a look at why you should use a credit card, what are the common credit card mistakes that you must avoid, and lastly, which is the best credit card in India for your specific needs. In case you're new here, then hi, I'm Harshdeep Srivastav, a corporate finance graduate, an ex-investment banker, and now an entrepreneur. If you're someone who is really serious about building long-term sustainable wealth, then do consider subscribing to my channel. So without any further ado, let's get started. Why should you use a credit card? See, credit cards help you to build a positive credit history, which later on in life help you to borrow funds for larger purchases such as a house or a car. When you are low on cash, credit cards can really come to use in emergencies. Now, credit cards can lull you into a false sense of security that could make you feel as if you can spend more than your budget allows. But the reality is that it is only if you smartly use your credit cards to fund the purchases that you would have anyways done. It allows you to save on your existing expenses by earning you cashbacks, reward points, or airline miles, which can be redeemed later on. Lastly, if you're someone who is reluctant to pull the trigger on your first credit card because of the fear of fraud, then let me tell you that credit cards actually offer you more protection against frauds than debit cards do. It is because when your credit card's information is used fraudulently, it is the credit card company's money at stake and not yours. You will have plenty of time to dispute any fraudulent charges and remove them from your outstanding balance or amount. Moving on, let's now take a look at 5 common credit card mistakes that you must avoid. The first is ignoring the fine prints in the terms and conditions when applying for a credit card. See, a lot of critical information regarding interest rates, late payment fees, repayment terms, international payment charges, etc. are mentioned in the terms and conditions, and ignoring them can lead to unpleasant surprises later on. The second common mistake is using more than 30% of your credit card limit often. If your credit utilization ratio is more than 30%, then the issuing authority considers you as financially unstable and a high-risk borrower, and so instead of bettering your credit score, you end up eroding it. The third common mistake is failing to repay the outstanding balance. When you fail to make repayments on time, you not only lose your cashbacks and rewards, but are also charged with a late payment fee and of course an interest of 2.5 to 3.5% per month. The fourth common mistake is using your credit card to withdraw cash. When you withdraw cash from your credit card, you are not only charged a high cash advance fee, but it also attracts a high interest rate and you won't be earning any reward points on the withdrawn amount as well. Last but not the least, you shouldn't consider closing your oldest credit card. The thing is, when you close your credit card, all your credit history gets removed with the credit rating agencies and it therefore worsens your credit score. Only sometimes it might make sense to close your credit card when the annual fees is more than the benefits you are able to derive from the card. So now that you are well aware of the most common mistakes when using a credit card, let's head to the last part of this video where we discuss which is the best credit card in India for your specific needs. When it comes to choosing the right credit card, one must look at the annual fees charged, the rewards on the card, and one's spending habits and lifestyle. For the purpose of this video, I've segregated the best credit cards in India into 5 categories, which are the best cashback credit card, the best online shopping credit card, the best travel credit card, the best business credit card, and lastly, the best UPI credit card. If you're still watching this video, then do subscribe to the channel as a lot of effort has been put in curating this list. So starting with the best cashback credit card, there are 2 credit cards in the market that are quite popular. The HDFC Millennia credit card and the SBI Cashback credit card. Let's take a look at the difference between these two. The HDFC Millennia offers 5% cashback on 10 online merchants. On other spends, it offers 1% cashback. The maximum reward on this card is capped at 1000 rupees for the 5% cashback on the 10 merchants and 1000 rupees for the 1% cashback on other spends. So in total, a person can earn a maximum of 2000 rupees in a calendar month. So if a person spends 20,000 rupees online on the 10 merchants, then he would reach the cap of 5% cashback, that is 1000 rupees. And likewise, if he spends 1 lakh rupees on other spends, then he would reach the cap of 1% cashback, that is 1000 rupees again. In terms of fees, the joining and renewal fee on this card is 1000 plus taxes. The renewal fee though gets waived off on an annual spend of 1 lakh rupees. Coming to SBI Cashback credit card, this card offers 5% cashback on all online merchants. It also offers 1% cashback on offline spends. The maximum reward for this card is capped at 5000 rupees in a calendar month. For the calculation of the total reward, it takes into account the contribution of both the online spend and the offline spend. So for instance, if a person spends 1 lakh rupees with online merchants, then he would reach the cap of 5% cashback, that is 5,000 rupees. If you're someone who spends more than 20,000 rupees on online purchases within a month, then clearly the SBI Cashback credit card is the clear winner because of the higher cap on rewards. In terms of fees, the joining and renewal fee for this card is $9.99 plus taxes. However, the renewal fee for the subsequent years is waived off on an annual spend of 2 lakh rupees. Moving on to the category of online shopping, there are two credit cards which are quite popular in this space. The first is the Flipkart Access credit card and the second is the Amazon Pay ICICI Bank credit card. The Flipkart Access credit card offers unlimited 5% cashback on Flipkart and ClearTrip spends. It also offers unlimited 4% cashback on CultFit, PVR, Swiggy food delivery and Uber. On other eligible categories, it offers 1% cashback. In terms of fees, the joining and renewal fee for this card is 500 plus taxes. However, the welcome benefit of Rs 500 Flipkart voucher in a way makes the joining fee nil and the renewal fee can be waived off on an annual spend of 3,50,000 rupees. The Amazon Pay ICICI Bank credit card offers unlimited 5% cashback on Amazon spends for Prime members and unlimited 3% cashback on Amazon spends for non-Prime members. It also offers 2% cashback on Amazon Pay partner merchants. On other spends, it offers 1% cashback. In terms of fees, there is no joining or renewal fee for this card. For me personally, when I compare my purchases from Flipkart and Amazon, then 90% of the time I end up buying from Amazon. And so, the Amazon Pay ICICI Bank credit card would be the right fit for me. If you are someone who uses Flipkart more, then you could choose the Flipkart Access credit card. Now coming to the travel category, the Access Atlas credit card is undoubtedly one of the best travel credit cards in India. It offers 5 edge miles per 100 spent with airlines, hotel merchants and the Access Travel Edge website up to a cumulative transaction amount of 2 lakh rupees in a month. Which means you can earn up to 10,000 edge miles with the 5x reward. Post the 2 lakh limit, you earn 2 edge miles per 100 spent on airlines, hotel merchants and the Access Travel Edge website. Here each edge mile is equal to 1 rupees. The edge miles earned can be redeemed to book flights and hotels via the Axis Bank mobile app or the Access Travel Edge website. Other than this, there is also a 3-tiered annual milestone reward wherein you get 2,500 edge miles on an annual spend of 3 lakh rupees, 5,000 edge miles on an annual spend of 7,50,000 rupees and 10,000 edge miles on an annual spend of 15 lakh rupees. Also, for international transactions, this card has a forex markup of just 2%, which is considerably lower than other credit cards. In terms of fees, the joining and renewal fee for this card is 5,000 plus taxes. However, you get a welcome benefit of 2,500 edge miles when you do the first transaction on your Atlas credit card within 37 days of issuance, which effectively makes your joining fee Rs 2,500. Moving ahead to the next category of the best business credit card, the HDFC BizPower credit card wins the crown here. Every business owner understands the importance of optimizing the costs of the business for greater profitability. The HDFC BizPower credit card helps you to do exactly that by earning rewards on business spends. As you can see on your screen, it offers 5x reward on multiple business spends. You can earn a maximum of 5,000 reward points per statement cycle, which is equivalent to 2,500 rupees if redeemed on flights or hotel bookings and 1,750 rupees if redeemed for products on Smart Buy platform. Additionally, you also get a Make My Trip or Reliance Digital voucher worth 2,500 rupees on a spend of 2.5 lakh rupees in a quarter. In terms of fees, the joining and renewal fee for this card is Rs 2,500 plus taxes. However, you get a welcome benefit of Rs 1,500 Amazon voucher on your first transaction on this card within 30 days of issuance, which effectively makes your joining fee only 1,000 rupees. Also, the renewal fee is waived off on an annual spend of 4 lakh rupees. Now lastly, coming to the best UPI credit card, it is undoubtedly the Yes Bank Kiwi credit card with the Kiwi Neon membership program. This card offers 2% cashback on your UPI spends, wherein the maximum reward you can earn in a month is capped at 1% of your credit limit. So if you have a credit limit of 1 lakh rupees, you can earn a maximum of 1,000 rupees in a month. Other than this, the Kiwi credit card with their Neon membership program also offers milestone rewards, wherein the cashback becomes 3% on an annual UPI spend of 50,000 rupees, 4% on an annual UPI spend of 1 lakh rupees, and 5% on an annual UPI spend of 1,50,000 rupees. Also, just so you know, the extra cashback received on milestone rewards is excluded from the maximum reward cap of 1% of credit limit. In terms of fees, the joining and renewal fee for this card is nil. However, to earn the milestone rewards, you need to join the Neon membership program, which costs $9.99 plus taxes. So there it is. These are my 5 top picks for credit cards in different categories. Keep in mind that credit cards are only good if you use them responsibly. Otherwise, they can easily make you fall in a vicious debt trap. If you felt that this video provided any value to you, then do like the video, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for my next video.